Today I've got a cozy, fall-ready recipe for you. Light, tender pumpkin pancakes made with fresh pumpkin juice. These are the kind of pancakes that smell like autumn and still cook up in minutes. Perfect for a quick breakfast, brunch, or a comforting snack. Let's get right into it. First up, grab a medium mixing bowl. Break in 2 large eggs. To those eggs, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and 1/3 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors. Now, before you reach for the pumpkin, take your whisk and beat these together until the yolks and whites are fully combined and the mixture looks a bit frothy on top. You want a smooth, homogeneous base. This helps the pancakes stay tender and fluffy. Now, let's prepare that beautiful pumpkin juice that makes these pancakes so unique. Take a small piece of fresh pumpkin, just enough to get about 2/3 of a cup of juice. Peel off the skin, cut the pumpkin into smaller chunks, and feed them through your juicer. Make sure the juice is clean and smooth, without any foam or pulp. You can strain it through a fine sieve or cheesecloth if needed. We only want the liquid part. It gives the pancakes their delicate texture and beautiful natural color. The fresher the juice, the better the result. We will need 2/3 cup of pure juice. If you've never used pumpkin juice in your recipes before, you're in for a pleasant surprise. It adds not just color, but a subtle earthy sweetness and a hint of autumn aroma that pairs perfectly with vanilla and sugar. Plus, it's packed with beta-carotene and vitamins, so these pancakes aren't just tasty, they're actually good for you. Now it's time to bring everything together and start building our pancake batter. Take that freshly made pumpkin juice, smooth and vibrant, and pour it right into the egg mixture we whisked earlier. Next, add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This little bit of oil keeps the pancakes soft and prevents them from sticking to the pan later. It also gives that light, silky texture that makes every bite melt in your mouth. Now grab your flour. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour. But here's an important step. Don't just dump it all in at once. Sift the flour first to aerate it. That helps the pancakes come out extra tender. And then start adding it gradually, about a few spoonfuls at a time. As you add the flour, keep whisking gently, moving in circles from the center of the bowl outward. You want to avoid lumps and keep the texture smooth and creamy. This slow, careful mixing is what gives your pumpkin pancakes that perfect balance. Not too thick, not too runny. Pour in 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla extract. This instantly lifts the flavor and gives the pancakes that cozy, dessert-like scent that fills your whole kitchen. It pairs beautifully with the natural sweetness of the pumpkin and makes every bite feel like a warm autumn hug. Next, carefully pour in 1/5 of a cup of boiling water. Yes, boiling, not warm. This step might sound unusual, but it helps create an incredibly smooth, elastic batter. The heat slightly activates the gluten and makes the pancakes thin, soft, and flexible, just like the best crepes. Stir everything together one last time until you have a perfectly silky texture with no lumps and a gentle pumpkin aroma rising from the bowl. Place a non-stick frying pan over medium heat and let it warm up for a minute or 2. When it's hot, lightly brush or spray a tiny bit of vegetable oil. You only need a thin layer, just enough to give that perfect golden edge. You can even use a piece of paper towel to spread the oil evenly across the surface. Once the pan is ready, pour in a small ladle of batter and quickly swirl the pan to spread it into a thin, even layer. You'll notice how beautifully it spreads. That's the effect of the hot water and oil in the batter. Cook each pancake for about 1 to 2 minutes until the edges start to turn golden and lift slightly from the pan. Then gently flip it with a spatula and cook the other side for about 30 seconds to a minute, just until it gets that lovely golden color with light brown spots. Keep the heat medium. You don't want to burn them. Just cook them evenly and keep them soft. As each pancake is ready, stack them on a plate. They'll stay warm and soft as they sit. You can lightly brush each one with a touch of butter if you like a richer flavor. The result? Beautifully thin, flexible pumpkin pancakes that roll perfectly and taste amazing with honey, yogurt, jam, or even savory fillings. And there you have it. Soft, delicate pumpkin crepes with natural sweetness and gorgeous color. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even dessert. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this recipe, and tell me in the comments how you'd serve your pumpkin pancakes. Sweet or savory?